Slide the carburetor onto the mounting studs. Don't slide it all the way. Open the throttle plate and install the governor linkage. Use needle nose pliers to install the governor linkage tensioning spring. Install the engine cover fuel tank assembly. Install the air filter housing gasket, and if you're not sure which way it goes, match the imprints left on the gasket. Then double check the openings to see that they match up with the shape of the opening of the carburetor. Next, install the air filter housing. Reconnect the primer hose. The crankcase ventilation hose is easier to connect with the engine cover off, so remove it temporarily to connect the hose. Make sure the hose is securely connected. Then place the engine cover back on the engine. Blow any dirt or dust off the inside of the recoil mechanism. Then lubricate the pawls with WD-40. Look for where the spring anchors on the inside hub and spray some WD-40 down onto the spring. Then extend and retract the pull start to work the lubrication into the spring. Blow any dust or dirt off the top of the engine, especially where the starter is going to engage. Then reinstall the pull start mechanism. Secure the carburetor with the 2 carburetor nuts. Don't adjust your gun too tight, as you'll be hand tightening these later. Install the 3 starter recoil mechanism nuts. Tighten the carburetor nuts and the recoil mechanism nuts by hand. Tighten them enough that they won't vibrate loose. Add some gasoline to the tank for testing.